learners! I'm back, it's Mrs. Yates. Welcome to math time! Well, today we're going to talk about the very last shape for this week. The last shape we're going to talk about is this shape. Do you know this shape? It has two long sides and two short sides. What is this shape called, boys and girls? Did you say rectangle? Can you say the word with me? Rectangle. Let's clap it together. Ready? Rectangle. Can we count the parts, the syllables with me? Ready? Rectangle. 3 syllables. All right, boys and girls, let's watch a very fun video all about the rectangle. And then I'll come back with you in just a moment after the song, and then we're going to go to our practice packet.
A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. Draw a rectangle up in the air. Draw a rectangle up in the air. Draw a small 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 rectangle up in the air. Draw a big 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 rectangle up in the air. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. Walk in the shape of a rectangle. 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 A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides.
Hey guys, did you like the song? That was a really fun song. I hope you got a chance to draw the rectangle into the air as the singer sang the song. Now, boys and girls, I just want to show you my rectangle again. Here's my rectangle, and I know in the video it showed it to you this way, but I want to show you that rectangles can also be this way. Okay, so even though if I turn it this way on the standing up, or if it's sideways, it's still a rectangle. Okay, so how do we know this is a rectangle? We can look by counting the sides. Okay, so if you heard the song, it says it has 4 sides. So let's see if we can count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing that's special about the rectangle is that it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Whereas in a square, all the sides are equal, even though a square has 4 sides too. All right, boys and girls, for this next section of our math activity, you need to go get your math packet, and please turn to the last page of your packet today. Also, today you're going to need 4 markers, okay? So we need our red, green, orange, blue, and also you need a pencil. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video, go get those things, and then come back and we'll do the activity together. Alright, boys and girls, let's look at this last page in our shape packet and we'll be almost done with this whole book. Alright, we're going to start with this box right here, and on the top you can see a number 1. So boys and girls, we're going to hold our pencil upside down first, and we're just going to practice tracing these lines first, and we're going to draw the rectangle together. Alright, so take your pencil, hold it with the eraser side down, the pointy side is up, okay? So take your eraser and start in this first dot, all right, and get ready, and let's do it together. We're gonna trace the lines. All right, so we have one big line right here and another big line. So 2 big lines. All right, then we're gonna go to box number 2, and now we have a little line. So a little line going from this side, from the left, going to the right. Right, and then last of all, we're gonna go onto the bottom, and we're gonna connect the last line and close up the rectangle. All right, now turn your pencil this way, and we're gonna have the sharp pointy end facing down the paper. All right, so we're gonna start off with the 2 big lines, okay? So let me zoom up on my camera so you can see a little bit better. So let's trace these rectangles right here. So 1 big line, 2 big line, go to the top, connect it, and go to the bottom and connect it. All right, there's 1 rectangle. So let's keep on going. 1 big line, 2 big line, connect it to the top, connect it on the bottom. All right, as you're doing, are you doing 4 sides? So as we're doing, maybe we can count the sides. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, go ahead and finish the rest on your own. I'll give you a couple seconds. And if you need more time, you can pause your video right now and then come back to join us when you're finished drawing all these triangles. So while you're finishing up, maybe we can count how many rectangles did we trace. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. All right, now we're going to go to these 2 empty boxes. We're going to go down here and we're going to draw 2 rectangles. So let's draw a big one and a small one. How about that? Okay, so let's draw 2 long sides. Okay, and 2 short sides. All right, now let's make a little baby one. Okay, so 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Here we go. There's the mama and there's the baby. All right, let's move over here, and we have the word rectangle. That's a pretty long word. Let's count how many letters are in the word rectangle. Would you count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a very, very long word. All right, I want you to take your pencil and let's start with letter R, little line and a curve up. Letter E, we start right here in the middle actually, and we go across in a little line and curve around. And we have a letter C, a letter T. Start with the big tall line first, cross it in the middle. Now letter A, we make a C. We call magic C and curve up and a little line down. Letter N starts with a little line and curve, but come all the way down and touch the ground. Letter G also has a magic C there. Watch. Let's make a magic C right there. Curve up, then come down, but then we're going to make a hook. All right, and then we have a tall letter here with the L. 1 big line down. And another E. Did you notice we actually wrote 2 letter E's today? I saw a letter E in the beginning, and then there's one at the end. All right, if you still need a little bit more time to finish tracing it, pause the video and then come and join the video when you finish with that word. All right, let's move on to this next part. Here's my little rectangle guy. He's looking so cute. Let's read the sentence. It says, a rectangle has blank sides. How many sides does it have? Let's count it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Can you write the number 4 in here? All right, now let's read the second sentence. It says, it has blank corners. Now these are called the corners right here, okay? So how many corners does it have? So let's point to the corners. There's 1 corner here, 2 corner here, 3, 4. It matches. So another number 4. All All right, so kind of like the square. Do you remember we learned about the square? The square has 4 sides and has 4 corners. All right, last of all, for this last section, you're going to need your 4 markers, okay? Because it tells us to trace one side red, one side blue, one side green, and one side orange. Okay, so let's start off with our red marker. We're going to draw the red marker with the big line right here. So we're going to start with that one. So that one first. All right, and then let's move on to our blue marker. Okay, so grab your blue marker, and we're going to do this big line right here. So that's number 2. And let's move on to the third one. We need a green marker, and let's do the top line right here and connect the 2 of them together. Now they're connected. And last one is our orange down here on the bottom, and let's connect our orange. Oh, how beautiful our rectangle is. All right, boys and girls, and there we are. We have our rectangle, and it's actually, this one is standing up. And don't forget, our rectangle can go this way, and also if we turn it this way is also a rectangle. So it can have 2 directions. Even if I put it crooked, it's still a rectangle. No matter which way I turn is a rectangle. Now, boys and girls, this is what I want you to do. Find a rectangle object, and you can bring it to your next morning meeting and share it with your friends. All right, off you go. Go find something in your house that is shaped as a rectangle.